In the world of real estate internet marketing, lead generation is critical. The good news is that there are tons of ways for real estate agents to generate leads online. Whether you want to create a list of potential buyers and sellers or just attract new clients from other sources, lead magnets can help pave your way towards success. What if I told you there was a lead magnet that could help you build your audience even if you have no social media presence and don't know how to use any other marketing tools? Get new leads every single day, no matter what time of year it is. Attract the right type of leads so that you never have to worry about filling up rooms with people who won't buy from you again. Would that be something worth trying? Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads for their marketing. Lead magnets are a great way to get more clients, and if you're in the real estate business, they're especially important. But what is a lead magnet and how do I create one? How do I deliver it? There are a lot of lead magnets for real estate that you can use to help you grow your business. But sometimes it's hard to know which one is best, especially when there are so many to choose from. In this video, we will go over what are the best types of lead magnets to use for your real estate business, how to create one, and how your lead magnet can bring in all the dream customers that you were looking for. What is a lead magnet? Real estate agents are typically looking for the best way to capture leads. The secret, however, isn't much of a secret at all. For years, marketing professionals in many different industries have used what's called lead magnets, free resources, as an enticement for potential clients to provide their contact information in exchange for this valuable information. A lead magnet is a marketing tool that generates leads by offering long-form resources such as ebooks, checklists, and templates. Ideally, these free resources your potential clients can put into use right away. This free resource is a piece of content that you give away for free in exchange for people giving you their contacts information. That's it. It can be anything as long as it's valuable enough for people to sign up for your email list. Here are some examples. You could give away an ebook about getting started in real estate investing. It could be a guide to buying your first home. Your free item could be a series of videos on how to find properties and negotiate with sellers. You could offer a podcast that covers topics related to real estate investing. The value to your dream customers is in the fact that you have curated the best information for your target audience to get for free from one location. And once your potential clients have opted in for this free valuable information, you can now communicate with them at any time. The best lead magnet meets the needs of your target audience while getting them to happily provide you with their contact information. If you're able to attract your target audience with a well-designed lead magnet, it can be an extremely effective marketing tool and resource for collecting local contact information. You can drive organic traffic from your social media channels or increase conversions by running paid marketing campaigns. Lead magnets increase your conversion rate by enticing prospective customers to subscribe, which reduces your cost per lead. For maximum results and to increase your conversion rates, an effective lead magnet needs these components. Your website should have a landing page that presents your offer to your prospect as clearly and concisely as possible. Within seconds of visiting this page, they should know what you're offering so they can sign up if interested. The simplest way to achieve this is with a form asking for only two things: first name and email address. An offer that's exactly what your prospect is looking for: an ebook on the topic of their choosing, access to unique video content, or perhaps even a home buyer's guide. What kind of offers do your potential customers want? Let's take a look at the most common types of lead magnets for real estate agents. A local market analysis that keeps you current. With so much information available at their fingertips, consumers are more involved in the home buying process than ever before. They want to know all of the latest market statistics and rates of return on investment so they can ensure they are getting a good deal on the home of their dreams. A market report can be a very powerful lead magnet by giving your target audience the information they need to buy a home. This should include new listings and recent sales data for your buyer's preferred zip code or areas of interest in that city. Provide your audience with a deep dive of the current state of your industry or local market and offer expert commentary on what key factors are impacting prices and sales. Here's why a market report is an invaluable resource. Buyers most likely already have an interest in a specific neighborhood and are looking for more than just general information. They want insights into what the neighborhood is like and whether it's a good fit with their lifestyle and budget. magnets. Sellers are eager for information about the neighborhood, especially if it pertains to other homes that have recently sold. Give them this kind of inside scoop by providing video content on the subject. You can give sellers access to videos containing information such as how long homes in the neighborhood typically stay on the market or what others have paid for similar properties. Collect, analyze, and distribute relevant local market data to educate your target customers. Buyer and seller guides. Some prospects are more interested in a guide than they are in market analysis. People can spend hours Googling various aspects of the buying or selling processes, but most people would opt for a one-stop shop in the form of a comprehensive and authoritative guide. You can remove uncertainty about what action or next step to take by providing an overview of the entire process and dividing it into easily manageable steps. People would much rather access everything they need to know in one place. Subscribers can download their guide as a PDF file. This way they can access it anytime. Once they do, they own this information to reference when they need it. Offering a guide will establish your authority and build trust with your dream customers. So when they are ready to buy or sell, you have already built credibility with valuable information. You have already earned their trust. In the seller's guide, your prospects are looking for specific advantages they can take advantage of. The best seller's guides tell them something that helps them get a better price. Include tips for home staging and preparation, as well as advice on how to sell. The end result is much the same. You position yourself as an expert in your field. List of homes under a certain price. Since everybody has a budget, using a list of properties in a specific price range as your lead magnet will always bring a lot of interest. Which type of price range will depend on what your target audience is looking for and has the most interest. A list of homes that are priced under a certain amount could be an excellent option for targeting families and first-time buyers, often in suburban areas. That's because people looking for these types of properties usually want low maintenance and affordability, not luxury. It's more important the price and the home be move-in ready rather than any extras that normally come with the higher priced properties. You could use your lead magnet to get a certain audience for a specific neighborhood that may be more affluent, but the same criteria may apply. You could provide a list of homes that could be between $1 million to $3 million. And for that neighborhood, those could be the best deals available. For higher priced properties like these, you might want to also provide a video of you talking about this neighborhood. You may talk about the advantages of this neighborhood over others. Talk about the shopping and the attractions that make it so popular. You could provide this video with a list of homes as your lead magnet. This video builds you as the expert in the area and the go-to person when they find their dream home. Free home evaluation. Your lead magnet can also attract those that are actively thinking about selling or are ready to sell. They want to know what their property is actually worth, so they are looking for someone to help them get started. This makes your lead magnet the perfect time for them to take advantage of your free offer. You can offer them a free home evaluation at the same time they are ready to sell. This could be the most popular real estate lead magnet. Sellers are always curious about the value of their home. You could use a tool on your website to give them a free evaluation, or you could set up a form for them to fill out and you contact them with the information they want. If you use a tool, make sure you can get the information for their property. The idea is to add them to your email list. Ideally, you will have an email workflow ready for potential sellers that can start going out to them right away. But in addition to those informational emails, you can also set up auto alerts to go to your potential sellers about properties that are selling in their neighborhood. Ideally, your website will allow you to do a radius search around your seller's property. You should be able to set this up to go out a half mile, a mile, or at most 2 miles, so your sellers are getting accurate, comparable properties for what is selling in their neighborhood. By setting up these emails to go out to your sellers, they will be more interested to see your emails as they come through. And if you include information emails that may include videos, podcasts, or other information that will help them when they are ready to sell, you become the go-to person they need. And through using a free home evaluation as your lead magnet, you can start to build that credibility and trust with potential sellers. Google's local service ads. We have videos going over the Google Guarantee program. Google local service ads are a great lead magnet for your target audience. When people search for realtors near me or best realtors near me, Google has provided a service to get the most relevant, accurate, and best realtors in front of them right away. Using local services as your lead magnet reduces the friction of filling out forms and provides a more seamless experience for buyers and sellers to get the information they want. Instead of asking users to submit their contact information, Google Local Services offers them the option to call the real estate agent of their choice with one click, and it immediately connects you with the lead. The local service ads appear at the top when people search for terms like real estate agents in city. Of course, when people search for real estate agents and they get a list of real estate agents to call, it's no surprise these lead magnets already perform perform with great results. These local service ads show up at the very top of Google's search results page before paid ads, above the map search, and above the organic website suggestions. This top spot above everywhere else does cost more money to do than other real estate lead magnets. However, their effectiveness and the fact they generate more leads makes them well worth it. Why? Most people who call your business are looking for your specific service. As a result, their chances of becoming paying customers are higher than those for prospects who simply give you their email address. Using lead magnets to build your list is a great way to grow your real estate business. But if your lead magnet isn't offering them what they need, it likely won't be nearly as effective. So, use these lead magnet ideas for your real estate business. We have seen these to be highly effective and relevant to what buyers and sellers are looking for. In a nutshell, the best lead magnets for real estate are ones that solve a problem for your target market and capture their email address in exchange for offering something of value. If you look at your lead magnet as a way to make it easier for your target audience to buy and sell properties, you are on the right track. The more you serve your dream customers, the more of an audience you will build. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.